Stuck with a dead car battery and no one around to help? What if a single pocket-sized device could get your car running in seconds? Today, we're taking a closer look at the NOCO Genius One to see if it's really the ultimate jump starter for emergencies. About the product, introducing the all-new Genius One, one of our most powerful, highest performing, energy efficient, and compact chargers yet. The Genius One is a 6-volt and 12-volt battery charger, battery maintainer, and battery desulfator, rated at 1 ampere for lead-acid, automotive, marine, and deep-cycle batteries, including flooded, gel, AGM, and maintenance-free, plus lithium-ion batteries. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the NOCO Genius One, battery clamps, user manual, product description, charge LED, mode LED, press and hold mode LED, standby LED, over voltage error LED, bad battery error LED, reverse polarity error LED, mode button. How to use. If a battery is too low to be detected, the Genius One has a built-in force mode that can manually activate charging and start the recovery process. If the charger is plugged into AC power and connected to the battery, but does not come out of standby when the mode button is pressed, force charge might be required. It likely means the battery is too low to be detected. To access force mode, ensure the charger is connected to AC power and has a secure connection to the battery. Then press and hold the mode button for approximately 7 seconds. Once active, all available modes will flash. Toggle through the modes by pressing the mode button until the correct one is selected. The charged LEDs will begin to chase, indicating the force mode is charging. After 5 minutes, Genius will return to the selected charge mode. The charge LEDs will indicate the current charge level of the connected battery, and the green LED will illuminate when the battery is fully charged. If the charger returns to standby after the forcey charge cycle, it likely means the battery should be tested by a professional. How to change mode. Press the mode button to toggle through the available modes, including 12-volt, 12-volt AGM, and 12-volt lithium. Press the mode button again to return to standby mode. To access 6-volt mode, press and hold the mode button for 3 seconds. Once the correct mode for the application has been selected, the unit will begin charging and pulse red until solid green. Specifications. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.